Charles Dickens, born on February 7, 1812, in Portsmouth, England, rose from a childhood marked by financial instability and hardship to become one of the most celebrated authors of the Victorian era. His father's imprisonment for debt forced the 12-year-old Dickens into labor at a bootblacking factory, an experience that deeply influenced his later writing and fueled his empathy for the poor. Despite limited formal education, Dickens became a journalist, honing his observational skills and launching his literary career with Sketches by Boz in 1836. His breakthrough came with the Pickwick Papers, a serialized novel that captivated readers with humor and vivid characters, establishing him as a literary sensation. Dickens's works are renowned for their richly drawn characters, social critique, and serialized storytelling. He authored 15 novels in total. Oliver Twist exposed the brutal realities of child labor and poverty through an orphan's struggle in London's underworld. Its depiction of workhouses sparked public outrage and calls for reform. David Copperfield drew from Dickens's own life, chronicling a young man's journey from trauma to self-realization. The novel's exploration of resilience and identity made it a defining work of autobiographical fiction. A Tale of Two Cities wove personal redemption into the French Revolution's chaos, highlighted by its famous opening lines. Its themes of sacrifice and resurrection cemented its place as a historical fiction classic. Great Expectations traced Pip's moral evolution amid shifting social hierarchies and unrequited love. The story's critique of ambition and class remains a cornerstone of Victorian literature. Bleak House skewered the legal system's inefficiency through the endless Jarndyce v. Jarndyce case. Dickens's portrayal of bureaucracy's human cost influenced debates on judicial reform. Hard Times attacked utilitarian philosophy's dehumanizing impact on industrial workers and education. The novel's bleak depiction of Coketown underscored the need for empathy in policymaking. A Christmas Carol redefined Christmas as a time for compassion and renewal via Scrooge's ghostly transformation. Its legacy revitalized holiday traditions like family gatherings and charitable acts. Dickens's cultural impact is profound and enduring. He is often credited with revitalizing Christmas traditions during the Victorian era, when industrialization threatened to erode communal celebrations. A Christmas Carol popularized customs like festive feasts and charitable giving, embedding ideals of kindness and redemption into the holiday's ethos. Characters like Ebenezer Scrooge and Oliver Twist have become cultural archetypes, while his narratives continue to inspire adaptations across media, testifying to their universal resonance. In literature, Dickens's legacy lies in his mastery of character and his ability to blend realism with moral urgency. His works laid the groundwork for the social novel, inspiring writers like Dostoevsky and Orwell, while his storytelling techniques, such as episodic structure and thematic symbolism, remain benchmarks for narrative craft. By humanizing the marginalized and challenging societal complacency, Dickens not only mirrored Victorian England's complexities, but also shaped the conscience of his age, leaving an indelible mark on both literature and social thought. Today, his novels endure as timeless explorations of human struggle and redemption, cementing his status as a literary titan whose influence transcends generations.